In this video, we will walk you through activity tracking with your Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. Your CIRQA Smart Band can track your activities manually or automatically. You can also unlock additional activity tracking features with the Garmin Connect Plus plan. First, we will discuss how to manually start and stop an activity on your Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. To do this, you will need to have your device paired with the Garmin Connect smartphone application. See our Getting Started video for help with this process. To begin, press the button on the side of your CIRQA Smart Band. The band will vibrate and the LED will flash green, indicating that an activity has been started. Your device will flash periodically as you work out. When finished, press the button again. Your device's LED will flash red and vibrate. The activity will be viewable on the home page of the Garmin Connect smartphone application. By default, it will show up as a timed activity. Select the activity card to edit the activity details. Then, select the three dots at the top of the screen. Select Edit Activity. Here, you can adjust the activity details like the activity type and the name of the activity. Finally, select Save. You can also change the default activity type for your CIRQA Smart Band in the Garmin Connect smartphone application. Begin by selecting the device icon in the top right. Then select your CIRQA Smart Band. Select Activity Options, followed by Edit. Select the activity you perform most often. Then select the back arrow. The next time you start an activity on your Garmin CIRQA Smart Band, it will show up as the default activity. You can also start an activity for your CIRQA Smart Band from the Garmin Connect smartphone application. From the Garmin Connect home screen, select the plus icon. Then, select Record Activity. Review the activity recording details and select Next. The first time you open Activity Recording, you can set up your favorite activity types. Select Save at the top. Now, select an activity type. Then, select Start Recording. Your device will begin recording data. Select Stop when the activity is complete. Then, select Save to save the recorded activity. Additionally, you can stop the activity by pressing the button on your CIRQA Smart Band. Your Garmin CIRQA Smart Band can also automatically detect activity types. After you work out, you will be notified on your compatible smartphone that an activity was detected. From the Garmin Connect smartphone application, you will see the recorded activity on the home page. This will remain in the app for 7 days. If the activity was correct, select the check mark, or select it to view the basic activity details. Select the activity at the top of the screen to edit the activity type. Select Save to confirm your changes. It will be saved to your Garmin Connect profile. The more activities you record, the more accurately it can automatically detect them. It is important to edit automatically detected activities to ensure they are recorded correctly in the future. All activity details will be displayed in the Garmin Connect smartphone application after the activity has ended. This will include a GPS map for outdoor activities. A Garmin Connect Plus subscription enables additional activity recording features, like the ability to create Garmin Strength or Garmin Fitness coach plans, follow pre-made or custom workouts, and more. And that's all we have on activity tracking with your Garmin CIRQA Smart Band. For more help, please subscribe to our Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.